Okay, we are still looking at differentiation, and we are asked to differentiate y equals to s squared then minus 2s all in bracket. So the last time we discussed the chain rule of differentiation, we just did normal differentiation. You understand? So now we are going to look at when um, this sign is involved, which is square root. We also need to look at when cube root is involved and so on and so forth. But let's evaluate this today and know what we're going to get as an answer. So if you are given a problem of this kind, what you do is write solution. Applying chain rule to solve this, you know that we have y is equals to square root of s squared minus 2s. This is what is given to us. Okay, then this is the same as y is equals to s squared minus 2s all raised by half. Okay, so this is the same as half. When you see square root, is the same as half. So let's say we have here, if here is was to be, let's say we have cube root is the same as what? 1 over what? 3. Then fourth root is 1 over what? 4. So that's why we're having 1 over 2 here. So if we do this now, we can now say let u is equals to s raised by 2 minus 2s. Okay, so in chain rule, whatever you see a bracket, you assume whatever that inside the bracket to be what? U, or any other alphabet that you may choose to use. Now we need to get the derivative of u with respect to s, and also get the derivative of what? Y with respect to u, because we have assumed whatever that are here to be what? U being this, and now it will now remain y is equals to what? U raised by what? Half. Okay, u raised by half. So we're having this one as this. So can I say the u over what? The s, du with respect to what? Else can I give us, if you differentiate s squared, you're going to have 2s, all right? Then minus, you differentiate 2s, you're going to have what? 2. All right? So next thing is for us to solve this one, which is dy du. So dy over du is going to give us, so this half will come down, which is half multiplied by u raised by what? Half minus what? 1. And you know that half minus 1 is the same as this, which is 1 LCM is 2. Then this go against this is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 minus this go against this 2. 2 times this is 2, which is minus 1 over what? 2, which is half. All right, this is what you're going to have here. So if you have that now, it's going to also give us this, which is half u raised by what? Minus half. Okay, which is also going to give us the same thing as half, then u raised by half is the same as what? 1 all over u raised by what? Half. Okay, so if you are confused here, I had a video on indices, how this becomes 1 all over u raised by half. Make sure you do well to check the video. All right, go to playlist, you see it under indices, watch it, and you'll be able to get what I did here. So now we have this half, all right, 1 all over multiplied by 1 all over, then u raised by half is the same as what? Square root of what? U, which you also give you half multiplied by this is the same as what? 1 all over what? Then 2 square root of what? U. Okay, so that's what you're going to, you got from what? Dy over what? Du. You got dy over du to be this. Then you got du over dx to be what? This and this. All right. So that's what we got. So the next step we are going to do now is to apply this formula, which says dy over dx equals to dy over du multiplied by what? Du over what? dx, which is this. Dy over df is equals to du dy over du multiplied by what? This, remember, this is the, okay, over du over what? Df. So this is the y over du. All right. So now we have got our dy over du as this. We got our du over dx as this. So we have to multiply them together now. Remember, there's nothing that we did here. This can go against this and it will remain dy over dx, which is what is here. So that's the formula you apply to solve the chains rule. All right. So can I have that dy over dx is equals to dy over du is what? 1 all over 2 square root of what? U. Then multiply by du over dx is what? 2x minus 2. So if you look at that now, you are going to have dy over du is equals to, if this multiply, you can do over 1, and we're going to have 2x minus 2 all over what? 2 square root of what? U. So if you look at the numerator here, you need to factor out what they have in common, which is 2. And if you do that, you are going to have dy over du is equals to, so you are going to have 2 brackets s minus what? 1. So such that 2s can give you, then 2 can also give you what is here. Then you now have 2 square root of u. So if you reach this point, there's no need for you to stop and say that this is the last answer you're going to get. You need to still solve further, because when the initial question was given to you, it wasn't you. It's in the process of you solving to get the dy over the s that you had to introduce u. So now you can now say, recall that u equals what? 2x plus what? 2. That is what that was given. All right. So now you can introduce this, which is what we assume to be u. If you do that, you're going to have dy over what? Dx. All right. Sorry. It's going to give us 2 bracket s minus 1 all over, then 2 bracket what? Change, sorry, that is square root of, then the value here is what? 2s plus what? 2. All right. So that is what we're going to have. Remember, these 2 here can go against these 2. We will now remain dy over dx is equals to what? S minus 1 all over what? Square root of 2s plus 2. Please, this is the answer you're going to get. Okay? Thank you.